Hey Lynn, Trent Tate here with Tamron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so much for your recent visit to the website. Looking for information on one of our last remaining 2019 Honda CR-V LXs. I have the modern steel metallic you were looking for here behind me. And the CR-V got us Motor Trend SUV of the last year. We have outsold every crossover in America going on in the last 24 months. It is a phenomenal product. This new design gives you tons of new standard features. Chrome alloy wheels on the LX package you selected. Inside you also get multi-angle backup camera standard to go along with class-leading headspace, legroom in the second row. Rear AC vents are standard in this new package, as well as multi-angle backup camera that will pop up on that digital display screen in the center stack there. It's a great vehicle. It's one of our best rated products we've ever had the honor to sell over here at Tamron, where we're a 15-time President's Award-winning dealership. We're going to take care of you not only during your point and after the sale here, but also at the end of the day. Our service department is the best service department in the city, and you're going to get some benefits back there as well. So give me a call today, 205-504-2358. Can't wait to tell you a little bit more about the product and set up a VIP test drive for you to come on in. Again, Trent Tate with Tamron Honda, and I'm making this promise: when you make it on by Tamron, you're going to love the way you're treated.